Hi guys, let's do the 68th problem at Leetcode text justification. Given an array of words and a letter and a length L, format the text such that each line has exactly L characters and is fully left to right justified. You should pack your words in a greedy approach, that is, pack as many words as you can in each line. Pad extra space when necessary so that each line has exactly L character. Extra space between words should be distributed as evenly as possible. If the number of spaces on a line do not divide evenly between words, the slot on the left will be assigned more spaces than the slot on the right. Okay, so we're going to do this in O of n. First, let's create a return variable. Result is equal to new array. Okay. Once we are done with this, we'll have a for loop. I is equal to 0. W I is smaller than words dot length I plus plus. And then we're going to have an inner loop for W is equal to I. Okay. Here we won't have I plus plus because anyways we're going to we're just gonna increment one variable. So W we are going to increment W and I is just gonna equate to that. So sorry, W is smaller than words length. Sorry, W is smaller than words length. And okay, one more thing. Int length is equal to -1. We are it's equal to -1 because of what we are about to do here. Word 0 dot length function plus 1. So what we are doing here is that we are saying that word then one space, word then one space, word then one space is less than or equal to max width. So this is doing, this will create one extra space after the last word. So to cancel that out, we are doing the -1, length is equal to -1 thing. Okay, so in the end of that, we're just gonna do W plus plus and go inside. Length plus is equal to word 0 plus 1. Okay, once we get out of this loop, we are going to be W is going to be pointing to the word that cannot be put in the same line. So we are pointing to next word. So we have to be careful about that. We're gonna create a new string s, which we are going to equate to word uh, I. Okay, which is the first word in the line, and then we are going to calculate uh, the number of spaces uh, that we need. So if there are two corner cases here. So if the line just has one, okay, let's define the space variable, which is going to equate to 1 because there should be one space at least between words, and extra variable which is going to equate to 1. So W is not equal to I If w is equal to I plus 1, then there is just one word in the whole line, and w is not equal to uh, word short length. So if it's the last word, then it's gonna use the entire line. So we don't want a single word in the line. In that case, we have we we have space that we can distribute uh, so max width minus length is the uh, spare area divided by w minus 1 to get us to the word we actually want, and minus I. So this and plus 1, because we need one space at least, and extra is equal to this entire thing, just mod here. Okay, so once we're done with this, we'll have a for loop for int j is equal to I plus 1, j is smaller than w, because w is pointing to the next word. You have to keep that in mind. And then this j plus plus, have another loop for int x is equal to 0, x is smaller than space, and x plus plus, just have s is plus equal to an empty space. If extra minus minus greater than 0, then s plus is equal to an extra space. After this, just have s plus is equal to words at j. Okay, so we are done with this. Now we have one more condition that we have to check. The corner cases that we left out earlier. We are going to create remainder. It's going to be equal to max width minus s dot length. While remainder minus minus is greater than 0, then just s plus equal to an extra space. After all this is done, just add s to my result, come out of the loop, return result. Let's run this and hope for the best. 12th line. Okay. Okay. Let's try our luck again. We're not lucky. 22nd. Okay, this needs to be function. Let's do it again. Okay, works. Let's submit it. Get it wrong. We have a problem here. Let's see where the problem might be. Okay, looks good. Uh-huh. Okay. Small and equal to max width. Hmm. Okay. Let me see what I'm returning. This should have been in a single line. So my length is probably the one to be blamed here. Okay. W is smaller than word length. Oh, I'm sorry. It should have been W here. Let's submit it again and wish for the best. Okay. Something else is not proper. Oh, no. Okay. Again. Let's submit. Okay. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.